Take care of your thoughts when you are alone and your words when you are with people. The conversations you have with yourself shape the life you eventually create. When no one is watching, your thoughts become your beliefs. Those beliefs become your actions, and those actions determine whether you stay where you are or become the person you're capable of becoming. But when you're around other people, your words matter just as much. Your words reveal your attitude, your confidence, your leadership, and your vision. They have the power to inspire or discourage, to build trust or lose it, to open doors or close opportunities before they ever begin. Successful people understand that greatness isn't built only through hard work. It's built by mastering both what's happening inside your mind and what comes out of your mouth. If you constantly tell yourself that life is unfair, that success is for someone else, or that you'll never get ahead, eventually you'll believe it. But when you choose discipline over doubt, possibility over fear, and purpose over excuses, everything begins to change. The same principle applies when speaking with others. Every conversation is an opportunity to encourage someone, solve a problem, build a relationship, or create a new opportunity. The people who learn to communicate with confidence and authenticity often become the people others naturally want to follow. That's one of the reasons entrepreneurship is so powerful. It doesn't just change your income, it changes your thinking. It challenges you to grow as a leader, sharpen your communication, develop new skills, and create value for others. The more people you help, the greater your impact becomes. At TruPowur, we believe success starts with the person in the mirror. We provide the systems, technology, training, supplier relationships, and support. But it's your mindset, your consistency, and your willingness to grow that transform an opportunity into a lasting business. Every day, businesses and families are looking for ways to reduce their energy costs. By helping them save money on something they already use every single day, you're creating value while building a business that can continue paying you long after the initial work is done. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.